Hello guys, welcome to Payal's channel. Today she gonna I don't know what she did, like something is like a bouquet or something with the Ferrero Rocher. Yeah, some kind of candy and there is a statue of couple, I think. Yeah, there is a statue of couple. Okay, so let's be creative with Bhalani. Okay, what she did. Okay, she took a ceramic pot, foam ball, and lots of other thing. I just missed it. Love it. Okay, so put two paper like that way and toothpick. Okay, just toothpick use here only. Okay, otherwise brush it. That's fine. Starting, yeah, wrap it. You can use scissors. Sometimes he's just being lazy. I feel that. Go on, put candy. If you like dark candy, you are you are like me. I don't like this sweet candy. I can't eat it. And now with the gun, fire glue. I mean, start it. Do. Anyway, that guns makes a lot of noise. I know that. Put the ball fit. Statue goes in, and now start put candy. Thinking any kind of without thinking any kind of design. Just put, and give the other people sugar. Who cares? Go on. Yeah. There you go. She already put the lots of candy. She finished the two big box of Ferrero inside. Yeah. Okay. There you go. That's it. You finish? No? Okay. Oh yeah, there you go. So that's a finish. That's a final look of Bouquet. So guys, please subscribe Pal's channels. This is Mantha and I just helped her to record this time. Thank you. Stay tuned.